This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, brother, Umesh brother, good afternoon. Hello, brother. Umesh brother, are you getting my voice?
Yes, getting.
Yeah, brother, did you see that one? I sent that yesterday. You asked that doubt, right?
Yes, I have seen that.
Yeah. Just actually, today I said the group by and ordered by related SQL statement to other people in HANA, ABAP and HANA.
Okay.
While teaching, I got remember your point. That's why I sent that one.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, brother. Yesterday we completed. As we see, actually, internal table operations. Internal table operations. See, internal table operations. See here. Actually, we have DDL, DML. Okay, DCL. We completed this one. DDL. DDL means what? Data
Data definition
definition
language.
language. Yeah, data definition language. Data definition language. Okay, and the next one is
Data manipulation.
yeah, data manipulation language.
Yeah.
Data manipulation language. Okay, and next one.
Data control.
Next one is data
Control.
control language. Data control language. See, we completed this one. See, data definition language means what? What we'll discuss, how to create the table, those things, right? We completed in the data dictionary. Okay, and DML. DML means what? Data manipulation language. See, in this, what we'll do, we'll go for the insert, to append, to delete, to modify those things. Okay. See, now here, DCL. DCL means what? Data control language. In this one, what we have two things only: commit and rollback. Commit and rollback. Okay, these are the commands. These are the commands comes under the DCL. DCL means what? Data control language. See, commit means See, commit means saving the data. Whatever the coding you have written, once you specify, once you mention the code, you need to try to specify the commit work. Okay, if you say commit work, the data would be saved. Coding wise, the internally the data would be saved. Rollback means it's a undo operation. It's a undo operation. Okay, clear? Whether up to this clear or having any doubt?
Yes, clear.
Yeah. Now let's we go.
But once you commit a record, then can we roll back the statement? No, right?
Sorry. No.
Once you commit a record. Okay, right.
Yeah. See, the commit means the coding will internally permanently store the data. So if it save the data permanently, there might be no chance to get that rollback like that. But in other technologies, I don't know. You have
other
to say.
technologies also. No. Actually, in other technologies also, we can't roll back if we commit a data.
Yeah.
So before saving, we have two chances: either roll back or commit. Before saving.
Yes. Before save only. See, for example, see here, I mentioned rollback work. Okay, rollback work. See, next one. So then after here we can apply save. That means commit work. Here we can apply. Here we can apply commit work. Here also we can apply. Here also we can apply. No need to worry. Then save. Then check. Then activate. then execute. See here the data. See the changes you can't see here, but in the Oracle or there you can see the changes. But here just to we need to assume it. Okay, we need to assume it. Okay, got it, brother? Or any doubt? And
Yes.
you have any doubt in you have any doubt in our previous class? If you have any doubt, please let me know. I will explain one more time. No problem.
Okay. Nice.
You don't have you have. Do you have any doubt
No, no,
or not?
no, no, no,
Okay.
no.
And brother, now we are going to another concept, modularization technique. It's very important. It's very. See, the next topic is modularization technique. See, here you can ask me why we have to use the modulation technique. Brother, in our ABAP programs, each and every program in the projects, each and every program developed, each and every program developed on the basis of the modulation technique only. On the basis of the modulation technique only, okay, the each and every program developed in the ABAP projects. See here, this is modulation technique here. See, just I'm giving the shortcut empty. Empty means modulation technique, okay? And see, brother, here, what is the purpose of this modulation technique? What is the purpose of this modulation technique means? So see, empty. That means empty means what? Modulation technique is used to split the main program into subparts or subprograms. Okay, sub subparts or subprograms. Okay, empty is what? Empty is a modularization. Empty is nothing but empty is a modularization technique. What is the use of this modulation technique? Empty, that is modulation technique. It is used to split the main program into subparts or subprograms. Okay, got the point? See, for example, there. See here. I will tell you why this modulation technique. And the next point is see, it is used to improve the performance of the application. See, brother, see modulation. It means what? Modulation technique. It is used to improve the performance of the application also. It is used to improve the performance of the application also. How it will? How it will improve the performance of the application is, brother, see here. See here. For example, this is a coding. Okay, this is a coding. Okay, let's we assume this is a coding of the one application. See, totally this coding lines are 1000 lines. Just example I'm saying. The coding lines are 1000 coding lines. Okay, see, brother, if you run this program, if you execute this program, what it needs to do internally, each and every line,
Yes,
each
yes,
each
yes,
and each
yes.
and every
Actually,
line.
yes. Actually, the entire program is stored in the memory. Okay. In 1000 lines is stored in the memory, and that can bring load on the memory. If we split these lines or these programs in the shorter of separate splitting, then
Yeah,
this smaller code can be loaded into the memory, right? And that
yes,
can be performance improve.
will improve.
Am I right?
Yes, 100%. Excellent. The same thing I'm going to say. You said that one. Right. Exactly 100. See, the thing is here. See, this is the 1000 lines, right? First, I split it. This is one part. This is one part. This is one part. Okay. For example, if you split like this, so okay. See, see this one part, this one part, this one part, this one part. Okay, we split this 1000 lines into 4 parts. When we execute, see all the support, all the subparts will execute the same time. This will also start the execution. This will also start the execution. This will also start the execution. This will also start the execution at the same time. Okay, the 4 parts will start the execution. Then, okay, then what will happens? Then what will happens means, see here the point is, see, uh, all these things will perform and execute within a short period. Compare with the, see, when we execute this program, entire program, 1,000 lines, for example, if it may takes, for example, if it may takes 5 minutes, for example, okay, if you split and if you execute like this, so it may take 2 or 3 minutes only. That means what? 3 minutes. See, that means what? It improves the performance of the application, right? Got it? Got the point, brother?
Yes, got it. Yes, 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 100%.
Yeah. This is the modulation technique. This is the modulation technique. And one more thing. See, in the modulation technique, there are types. There are types of the modulation techniques. Types of empty. Empty means what? Modulation technique. Okay. Types of empty. Okay. See here. Here we have. There are 4 types. There are 4 types of the modulation techniques. 4 types of empty. 4 types of empty. The first one is subroutine. The first one is subroutine, and the second one is okay. First one is subroutine, and the second one is include. The second one is include, and the third one is okay, function module. Function module. FM, you know FM, and the fourth one is
Yes, I just
macros.
heard. Yes, I just heard the word FM for function module,
Hmm.
but I have not seen yet what is FM and how it works.
See, I will teach everything. You don't worry. I will teach each and everything.
Okay,
Okay, you
okay,
don't worry.
okay.
Okay, what is function module, why we have to use the function module, everything we will discuss. You don't worry. How to create the function module, how to call the function module, everything we will discuss. You don't worry about it. Okay, and see, brother, these are the 4 types of the techniques. By using these 4 types of the techniques, we can improve the performance of the application, performance of the coding we can improve. Okay, performance of the coding we can improve. Got the point? And one more thing, we can use the subroutines, and we can use the includes, and we can use the function module. We can't see, we don't prefer this of macros. Why means so? These macros are used by HR ABAPers, HR people. Okay, we don't use these things. Even though we will discuss this macros related information in module full programming. Okay, you don't worry about it. Mainly we need to learn. ABAPer needs to learn these 3 points only. These 3 points only he need to learn. Subroutines, includes, and function module. Okay, clear up to this, clear, brother, or having any doubt?
Yes, yes, clear.
Yeah. Now let's see one by one what is the subroutine and everything. Okay. Now let's see one by one. See, the first one is subroutine. The first one is subroutine. Here the point subroutine. Subroutine is what? Subroutine means, so it's a, the first point is subroutine. Subroutine is one of the modulation technique. Subroutine is one of the modulation technique. Okay, and see, it is used to. Okay, subroutine is one of the modulation technique, and it is used to split the main program into subprograms, subparts. Okay, just what is the subroutine? What is a subroutine means? A subroutine is one of the modulation technique, and by using this subroutine, we can split the main program into subparts. Okay, subparts. See, brother. See, like this. The main program is split into subparts, right? This is called subroutine. Okay, got it, brother? Okay, and see here the and yeah. Tell me if you have any doubt, please ask me. I will explain.
No, no, no. Continue.
Okay, and one more thing, brother. If you want to generate, see in the interviews, the people will ask you what is the syntax for the subroutine. Then you need to say the syntax for the subroutine is farm 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 name dot end farm name dot end farm. In between the farm and end farm, we will write the coding. We will write the coding. In between the farm and end farm, we will write the coding. Okay, get the point? Farm name and end farm. In between the, based on the requirement, we will write the coding here. We'll write the coding here. And one more thing, brother. This this is a farm and this is a farm and farm. See, this is what this is a subroutine syntax. How this subroutine syntax will create? How this subroutine syntax will create means we no need to write this subroutine syntax manually. We no need to write the subroutine syntax manually. So how we can write? See how we can write means see how it will generate means we need to write the keyword perform and perform name perform and a perform name. See see this is a farm name and the end farm name and farm. It will generate it. This syntax will generate automatically. How it will generate automatically means see you need to mention perform and perform name. Once you mention the perform and perform name, you need to double click on this one. You need to double click on the perform name. When you double click on the perform name, you will get the farm and farm syntax. Okay, see here whatever the name you will mention here whatever the as a perform name, whatever the name you will mention, the same name will come to here also. Okay, up to this clear, brother? This is the syntax.
Yes, yes.
See here the syntax is farm name and farm. In between the farm and end farm, there is a code. There is based on the requirement we'll write the coding. Okay, how this syntax will generate farm and farm. How this syntax will generate means see if you if the system automatically will generate the farm and end farm syntax. How means see in the coding part we need to mention perform and perform name. Once you mention the perform name, just you need to double click on the perform name. When you double click on the perform name, you will get the farm and farm syntax. Automatically you will get. Okay, brother, up to this you clear or if you have any doubt?
Yes, yes. Clear, clear.
Okay, now let's we go practically. Okay, brother, see up to yesterday we discussed the internal table, right? Now let's we go how to implement the internal table coding using subroutines. Okay, I will show you the difference and I will explain each and everything. So this is unnecessary thing. Just I am removing. This one also unnecessary. Yeah, brother. Actually, this is the internal table. Okay. See, I'm saving. I'm checking. I'm activating. Click on enter. Then executing. See, brother. This is the normal. This is a normal internal table coding. After this, you have any doubt? Please check it once. Just we create the structure. Then after for that structure, we create the internal table and work area. Then after we mention the select statement. Then after for heading purpose, we write the right functionality. Then after to display the data, we mention the loop statement. Up to this, you clear or having any doubt?
Yes, clear, clear.
Okay, now let's we go how to write this coding in the form of subroutines. Okay, we'll see. I'm going to open a new session. Let's see 38. I'm giving yes. Sample internal settings. See, brother, I'm minimizing. I'm minimizing. This one also I'm minimizing. Okay. Through comparison, I'll see. This is a normal. This is a normal coding. This is subroutine. Okay. See, first of all, as usually, we need to define the internal table and work area. As you just, brother, I'm copying. You please try to write it manually. Okay. Okay. Next. See, brother. Now, see, this is the declarations. That's why declarations we no need to mention the separate part. Declarations we need to mention as usually. Okay. And see here, this is a select statement. This is what get functionality. Okay. For this get functionality, we need to write this coding in a separate part, separate subpart. So see here, how can I see perform and perform name? I'm just saying here get to data dot. Okay, get data. Just double click on. See, see, I want to write this code. This is a coding. It's a functionality. What functionality? Get functionality. Get functionality means what? To need to get the data from the database table. To get the data from the database table, we need to write the select statement to get the data from the database table. Okay, see, this select statement we need to specify in the subparts. How can I specify in subparts? Say, I'm see here mention perform and perform name. Just I'm double clicking. I'm double clicking on the perform name. See, but then it is when you double click on the perform name, it is saying subroutine. See here, get data. See here, this is the get data, right? Subroutine get data does not exist. Create an object. We need to create an object to create the subroutine on this name, on this get data name. So click on yes. See, brother, where we mention the perform statement see where we mentioned. See here, in this, see, in this program or in this one, where we mentioned the perform statement, this one, right? In this one, where you mention the perform statement code, perform coding. Okay, that report name you need to select to generate the subroutine. So click on continue button. When you click on continue button, see here, brother, under this perform and perform name, under this one you can see here farm name and end farm. You can see, right? Got the point or any doubt?
Yes, yes. Got the point.
Okay. See, in this in this form and end form, we need to write the select statement. So, brother, I'm copying, but you try to write it manually. Okay, but you try to write it manually. Okay. Now see here, that's enough. Okay. Now just I'm saving. Next, I make sure. See, I get the data. Next, what I need to do? Once I get the data, I need to display. If I need to display, what I need to do? I need to use the write statement and loop statements. Okay. So see here, I'm going to write one more perform display. Brother, did you see this coding in the project ABAP projects in previously? Did you identify this type of coding? I think you might be
No.
seen, right? Hello.
Yeah.
Did you notice it previously like this perform and perform name?
No.
Did you notice?
No.
Oh, you will not see if you open the ABAP coding, you will notice these things. 100%. Okay. See, brother, now I'm going to double click on the perform name. For what purpose? To create another subroutine. So click on yes. So, brother, which one I need to select here? First one, second one. Which one I need to select? Brother Umesh, which one I need to select?
New include?
No, brother. We
okay,
not. We need to specify main program only. We need to specify main program only. We had not enter into the includes. We had see still we are in still we are in subroutines only. Still we are in next topic include. Then at the time we'll select that one. While discussing the subroutine.
Actually, my little confusion here was that we are including one more subroutine. So we have to select new include here. Okay. Okay.
No. Actually, 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 how in the projects the coding will write is first they will specify include. Within that include, we'll go for the subroutines. That we'll see later,
Yes.
not now.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes. Yes.
that we'll see later,
Okay.
not now. Okay, see first
Okay.
now we are going to discuss the subroutines. While discussing the subroutines, we need to generate the subroutines in the main program only. This is the main program. See, this is the main program. We need to select this one only. Click on enter. See, here I need to write. And see, brother. See, the next, see, brother, I'm copying. I'm copying. You please write in the, you please write manually. Okay, just I'm copying. Okay, brother. Now see here, I'm saving. I'm checking. I'm activating. Then click on enter. See, I'm executing. I got the output, right? Same thing. I got the output. Okay, brother. But see, the way of writing this code, the way of writing this code is 100% wrong. We should not write the coding in the project like this. If you write the project, if you write the coding like this in the project, that would be the last working day for you in the office. 100% I can say.
Okay. 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 Got it.
100%. See, no need to wait for any terminate mail. Once you write the coding, just you can simply shut down your system and don't go immediately outside. Just you try to go for cafeteria. If you go
Okay.
directly outside, you outside you need to spend one more 15 to 20 rupees for a tea or coffee. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So, so once you shut down your system, you try to simply go for the cafeteria. You try to take 2-3 coffee or teas because you want to take the other 2-3 copies of the company properties. So you try to take coffee, tea, Horlicks, Boost, or snacks, anything, pizza, burger, or
Okay.
whatever. Because in the office
Okay.
cafeteria, because in the office cafeteria everything is free, right? That's why.
Right.
Okay, if you if you come to outside quickly, you need to pay the amount to outside to tea stall people or bakery people or to eat something samosa like that. Okay, brother, we should
Okay.
not
Okay.
write this
Got it.
100% wrong. We should not go this one. Okay, 100%
Okay.
wrong. Okay, and
Okay.
now let's we go how to debug this one. Now let's we go how to debug the subroutine, where you will mention the breakpoints. Where you will mention the breakpoints, brother. We need to mention the breakpoints in the subroutines near the performs only.
Yes. Subroutine name. Right.
Yeah, see, near the performs. Not see how the subroutine is created based on the perform, right? So we need to
Yeah.
specify the breakpoint here near the performs. See,
Confirm.
okay, get the point. See, now I'm
Yeah.
saving. See the cursor whenever going to debug this perform, the cursor automatically come to the this related subroutine. That means it will the cursor come to here. It will check it here. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
See, once you see practically, then you will understand. You don't worry. Yeah, I'm executing. I'm maximizing. I'm executing. Click on desktop 3. See, click on F5. See, brother. See, did you see this cursor arrow mark is populated? Click on F5. When you click on F5, the cursor came to the related subroutine of the platform, corresponding subroutine of the platform. See here. Now click on the internal table. Initially, there is no data. Initially, there is no data, right? Initially, see, just this internal table was created. This internal table was created. At the runtime, this internal table was already created, but yet not get the data. Why? Why means it at this is a select statement yet not debug. That's why. So click on your file. See here. Now double click on it. See here, you got the record. If you want to simply see clearly, click on the table display. When you click on the table display, see here, you see the exact data. Whatever the data you are seeing, that data only you will execute. Okay. Then click on your file. See, brother, this perform inside of the perform select statement is there. That is debugged. That's completed. Now the cursor came to the next breakpoint. Click on your file. Then this arrow mark will go to the related perform. See, this is a right statement. You know everything, right? Here, just and the loop and everything. Got the point, brother? I think you know how to execute that loop, right?
I know. Yeah.
Or you need one more time debugging?
No. You can
Okay.
continue.
Yeah, brother. This is a subroutine program. This is a subroutine program. And brother, see here, 100% wrong. The way of writing this coding is 100% wrong. We should not write the coding like this in the projects. 100% wrong. This is right. This is right. This is right only 50%, not 100%. This the way of coding. The way of writing coding is this is only 50% right, not 100%. This is only 50% right, not 100%. So you can ask me which is the 100% right.
Yes.
So you can ask me which is the 100% of the correct process. 100%
Yes,
of
that.
correct process means to include only correct process.
Okay.
In projects, if you observe each and every coding will be inside of the includes. Okay, see here the point is, I'm going to once again. See how, see here, include, okay, and include name. See the include name you need to mention it is Z or Y, 100% Z or Y. Okay, Z include name. Okay, okay. See, you need to mention include and include name. Just you need to double click on this include. When you double click on this include, okay, you will the system automatically will create a separate include program. In that separate include program, you need to write the perform and perform name. Okay. Here also you need to double click again. Then you will get the form name dot and form. You'll write the coding here. Get the point? You will write the coding here. This is the web purpose. Now let's see practically. Okay. See.
Suppose
Hmm.
I have multiple perform and perform name. Okay.
Sorry.
So suppose I have more than one perform name in the coding. So is this come into a single include statement?
Sorry. What you were asking? Perform and perform name. Where you have?
In the coding, I have multiple perform and perform name. Okay. So are they included in a single include?
Yes, 100%. 100% we can see here we can write a number of performs. We can write a number of includes. There is no limit. As per your requirement, you can write the number of includes, and as per requirement, you can write number of performs. There is no limit. Okay. Yeah. Here now we are going for the includes. Include is one of the moderation technique. Include is one of the modulation technique. Okay, and it is used to include is one of the modulation technique, and it is used to perform. It is used to split the main program. Split the main program into sub include programs. Okay. Okay, get the point? Get it, brother? Or
Yes.
you have any doubt?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
What is the what is the use of the
Okay. Got it.
this
Got it.
syntax? See, syntax. Okay, see, brother, what is the use of this thing? What is the use of this include? Include is a one of the modulation technique, and it is used to split the main program. It is used to split the main program to sub include programs. Okay, get the point?
Yeah. Got one.
Now let's we go how to do it. The includes. Okay. Just to give me 1 minute, brother. Let me drink the water. Throat is paining.
Okay.
See, brother, I'm showing you subroutine. Okay. Through the now let's see how to write the include this program, this subroutine program. Okay. So, brother, I'm minimizing. See here. See, brother, this declaration we need to specify in one separate include. Okay. These declarations. 1 second. Yeah. These declarations we need to specify one include. Okay. See, include and include name. See here, Z top of declarations. Okay, underscore. See, I'm giving something because on this name I created so many includes. But okay, see, once we create the include in any program, that we can use anywhere. That means reusability. Here, see, brother, Here you create this include. Okay, you can use this include in this program also. What are the includes? Once we create the include, we can reuse the includes number of times in another programs also. Okay. See here I am giving 09 dot. Just to see, brother, I am double clicking. When I double click, it is saying include Z top of, see this one, Z top of declarations 09 does not exist. So click on yes. Okay. See, then see, before going to open the sub include, you need to save this program. So click on yes. See, brother, see here what is sub include title. See here type is include program. Within the main program, we are going to create a sub include program. Yes. Here, see here I need to mention here. Here I'm mentioning the declarations. Okay. And brother, okay, up to this clear. Once you mention the declarations, once okay, save, check, activator, then click on enter. You need to save, check, activator. But see, we should not execute sub includes onwards. We should not, we can't execute the include program. See here, we can't execute. From where we can execute to? We need to execute the program from the main only. Okay, so go back. See, includes completed. Up to this clear, brother Umechi? Now I'm going to write the get functionality. See here, include. Okay, see, Z get functionality. Double click on this one. See, get functionalities means what? We need to write the code. Get functionality is nothing but we need to write the code. So click on this one. Yes. Yes. The same thing. Yes. See here we need to write the get functionality. Get functionality means what? We need to write the select statement. But brother, we should not write the only inside of the include. Inside of the include, we can declare the declarations only. Directly we can declare the declarations. But if we come to the coding part, inside of the include, you need to specify the subroutine. Like see here, see, you need to specify here perform and perform name get info dot. Double click on it. Yes, subroutine is not there, so creating. Yes. So brother, which one we need to select here? Where we mention this perform? Where we mention this perform? In which include Z get a functionality, right? So let's check it. See this one. Where you mention this perform? Where you mention in this include? So we need to select this include to generate the form and end form. Why means see under this form and end form only need to generate the form and form subroutine syntax. Okay, under this perform. If you want to generate under this perform subroutine, okay, you need to select the whatever the where you mention the perform statement. That means in which include you mention this perform statement. That include only you need to select. Got it, brother Umeshi? Did you get the point?
Yes. No, yeah.
Ne
Got the
yeah,
point.
next. See, I'm saving. Just see here, I'm copying. Okay. Now see here. This is a one sub include program. Okay. Then save, check, activate. Then click on enter. Then again go back. See, this is a one include program. This is a second include program. For displaying purpose, we are going to specify another include program. Z display functionality dot. Okay, double click it. Yes, save. I'm saving locally. See, now this is a separate include program. Here I'm going to specify perform display dot. So double click on it. Why? To generate the subroutine. Brother, which one I need to select? Please tell me. Which one I need to select to generate the form and end form? Which include I need to select?
Z display functionality.
Z, yes, exactly. See here, you need to write the display functionality. Yeah. Now see, brother, I'm saving. I will get one error. Check. I got one error. What error I got? Statement are not accessible. Where I got this error? In the fifth line. That means here. Here, the fifth line. Here I got error. What error I got? A statement are not accessible. Brother, why we are getting the statement is not accessible error means, see, if we peoples are going to write the display functionality, if we peoples are going to write the display functionality, then see, where we'll write the perform regarding the display functionality, above the perform statement we need to mention the end of selection keyword. End of selection keyword. If you are going to write the display functionality inside of the include, if you are going to write the display functionality inside of the include, then above the perform statement you need to mention the end of selection keyword. Okay, end of selection. That means what? The system, see, we'll in the coding part we'll write the number of includes. We'll write the number of includes, but okay, in that includes we need to separately mention this include is belongs to, this include which belongs to display include. We need to mention how we can instruct to the system means, so by specifying the end of selection keyword above the display perform statement. Okay, got the point, brother?
Yes, yes, got it.
Yeah, save, check, activate, then click on enter, then go back. See, brother, now this is a bait program. See here, the how many lines we have? Totally 3 lines. Okay, 3 lines only. Here, lot of lines. Okay, see, compare this one is a better, it will improve the performance wise. See, brother, executing. Got the point, brother? Got it or any doubt?
Yes, yes, got the point. 100%.
And if you want to debug, where you will specify the breakpoint, normally you go to the inside of the include, you need to specify the breakpoint near the performance here, and I can go back. Oh, sorry, double click it again. Oh, double click it, specify the breakpoint here, then go back here, then save, check, activate, then click on enter. Now click on execute button. When you click on the execute button, see where you mention the breakpoint, the cursor will directly see here. See here, where, see, in which include we mention this perform get info in the Z get functionality in this include. Okay, see, click on F5, click on desktop 3, click on the internal table. See, initially there is no, see, initially there is no records. See, no records. Okay, click on desktop 3, click on F5. See here, 10 rows, 10 rows of the data we are seeing, right? See, click on F5 again, click on F5. See here, this is a display. See, now where we have the cursor, see, include Z display functionality. Okay, see here how to debug this one, you know, right? How to debug this looping. Okay, get the point, brother?
Yes, get the point.
See, this is the, this is the way to write the program. 100% correct, 100% correct. This is 50%, 50% only correct, 50% only. Okay, this is right and this is wrong also. 50% right, 50% wrong. It's 100% right. See, if you observe the coding, ABAP coding, every coding will be in includes only. Every coding will be in includes only. Okay, but this is the see here I mentioned this include, right? The same include I can mention here also, because it's a reusability. Modulation techniques, why we are using mainly, it's a reusability. Okay, brother, up to this clear, or you have any doubt?
Yes, clear.
Yeah, I'll send. I didn't send yesterday document. I'll send yesterday's document, today's document to your mail within one hour. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay, brother. We'll have the class tomorrow. Normally at 8. Okay, 8 p.m. as per
Okay,
Indian time. Okay,
okay,
bye.
okay, okay. Okay, thank you.